बाकी सभी पार्टी साहब की तरफ से चेयरमैन जामिया इरशाद उलूम सेकेंडरी स्कूल चंडीगढ़ को एक मोमेंटो पेश किया जा रहा है।
Assalamualaikum. My name is Irfana Kausar of class 8. I belong from first area namely Jindrola. My father is a laborer and my mother is homemaker. I am the award-winning student of Shatlum Secondary School, Chandigarh. I won the first prize of Super 30 College Competitive Exam 2024 by the grace of Almighty Allah and my hard work. I am grateful of my art teacher, especially I am deeply grateful of my basic art teacher and principal. Respected J1 sir for my guidance and support. Respected J1 sir, your exceptional leadership and teaching methodologies have helped me achieve academic excellence. Thank you for providing valuable guidelines and academic assistance, teaching each student with care and compassion like your own children. Fostering all-round development in us. Your meditation and encouragement enable me to qualify for the Super 30 College Competitive Exam 2024 and secure the first position with a 50,000 cash prize. My greetings also goes to the school management and the chairman of the school, Maulana Muhammad Friduddin Sahib, last but not least. I am very much thankful of Wonder and Director of Competitive Exam, Dr. Shmeem Ahmed Pandey Sahib and his team. I pray to Allah to grant you long life, health and happiness. May your dedication and patience for teaching continue to. Thank you.